Welcome to my channel. See how I'm a mechanic.
Alright, here I got a 2016 Kia Sorento. We got an overheating problem. We already changed the thermostat. We're ready to replace this whole housing, the thermostat housing, because it was a crack in the back. Okay. Now, when you drive the car, it will not show you that it's overheating in the temperature gauge, but the heat will not work. And you will start getting this overflow full of water and start, spitting the water out. The temperature will start overheating over there when there is no water at all in the radiator, which is bad. So we're gonna test the head gasket to see if we have a blown head gasket. So the way we're gonna do it, I got this kit right here. It's called block tester. Okay, this is under 50 bucks at the auto part. I'm sure you can get it cheaper online. So this is what we're gonna do. We're just gonna put this in the radiator here. Okay, I don't want to top it off because I don't want to suck no coolant in this. So we're just gonna keep it right there like that. Okay, now we're gonna make sure the engine is warm when you're doing this. Just gonna add a little bit of this right here. That's that line right there. There's a little line. Alright. I'll go ahead and close this. Okay. Now, if it turns yellow, green, yellow, whatever, you have a blown head gasket. Okay? So now I'm gonna get this little pump. I'm just gonna put it here on the top, and I'm gonna suck air in like that. Okay. And there, as you can see, it turned yellow. So yes, this car has a bad head gasket. No question asked. Let me turn it off. See, even though the temperature is not showing overheating, but now you know 100%. I told you, yeah, 2015. I said 2016. 2015 Kia Sorento. Blown head gasket. Before you start wasting money on the car, just get one of this kit, do the test yourself, and you're gonna have your answer. All right, like always, please subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in the next one.